Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be making my first withdrawal on my own FundedNext account. So if you have made your own profit and want to withdraw from your own FundedNext account, then this video is actually for you, because I'm going to be directing you on the step-by-steps and the things you need to get ready and things you need to know before placing down your first withdrawal on your FundedNext. Then if you are new to FundedNext and you have not made any withdrawal or you are planning to get an account in FundedNext, this video is actually for you, because after the withdrawal, I'm going to be teaching you the things that you need to know before trading with Profems. And this is why you should go for FundedNext as a beginner. And finally, I will share with you my experiences within my phases, both my phase 1, phase 2. And then on my funding stage, everything you need to know, I will share it for those who want to go into Profem trading. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's go back to the screen and do the withdrawal. And this is my own personal dashboard. You can see my 15K account has been resetted to the original balance, because once you make your withdrawal, then FundedNext has to reset the account to the original price that it was. So this is the 15K account, and each time I trade with any funded account with FundedNext, then for your first withdrawal, you're going to be getting your payout in the first 21 days. You understand? And after the first 21 days, you start getting your payouts bi-weekly once you make your profit. Now, if you look at this particular account now, I've made my profits. Let's go to payouts so I can see the profit that I've made within my first 21 days of trading with FundedNext. Here's a very small amount of money, but as an average Nigerian, this can actually get you, at least this can give you a plate of food for at least 1 week if you're eating 2 times in a day, I think. So, and this is actually a very good improvement for anyone. So far, you've passed your phase 1, passed your phase 2, and then within the stipulated time that was given to you to make profit, if you're able to make profit, then you are good to go. I noticed that even if you are having a trade running at that particular moment, once it's time for payout, FundedNext will take all the profits you have made to your payouts dashboard. You understand? Something like this. Even if you have a profit that is running at that particular time, they'll close the profits and then move all of them to your payouts dashboard. Then they will take their own percentage and then give you your own percentage to withdraw. So this is the percentage I have here. We are going to withdraw this money now, and you see how to withdraw your money from FundedNext using the crypto method. You understand? So for this particular method, you can see where they wrote request payout. So let's go ahead and hit on that request payout. If you hit on it, then you see some option that will pop out. And here is my login details, and then this amount of money that I'm eligible to get. Then this is what I'm trading. I'm trading CFDs, that's forex. Then those that are trading stocks or commodities, it will be written for you there. Then there's no news trade. I think it's executed any trade within the news period, and this is just the withdrawal ID. Then 30th, that was a day for yesterday. It was the day of my eligibility for withdrawal. Then after going on through this thing now, you have to select the account you want to withdraw. I only have one account in FundedNext, which is this 15K account, so I will tick it. Once you tick it, then we'll go back to the next option. Then for this account, you can see the profit that I made here. You can see it here. That's just the same thing that I have here on the 15K account. Now let's continue. Now, since I have ticked the account I want to withdraw, now let's go back to this particular place. You see the next button here. That's what you click on. Once you click on the next button, then FundedNext will ask you should select your own payouts method. So now let's go and select the payouts method that is good for us. For me, I prefer to use crypto. So this is I will use USDT. You understand? And in that USDT, you can choose your own preferred network. You understand? Choose your own preferred network. And for me, I like using TRC20. You can use ERC20 if you want, but for me, I always prefer TRC20. And while you're making your withdrawal, just know that there's always 3.5% fee that's being charged. You can see where they wrote it here. Please note that up to 3.5% service provider fee will be deducted from your requested amount. You show that from this profit that I've made, they're going to deduct 3.5%. Are you guys getting me? So let's go ahead and choose the TRC20. And then next thing is for us to input our wallet address. So input your own wallet address and make sure you are getting it correctly. Do you understand? Input it correctly. I know that with FundedNext pays you within 24 hours. And after 24 hours, if they didn't pay you, then FundedNext will pay you extra $1,000. So I'm praying for them not to pay me so that they will give me extra $1,000. Okay guys, let's now go ahead and input our USDT address. So guys, I'll go ahead and paste my USDT address here, TRC. Make sure that everything is correct. If possible, go and cross-check it and make sure that everything is correct, so that the problem will not come from your own end. Now, once you are done filling all the forms, the next thing you do is just to click on this submit button right here. So let's go ahead and click on it. And then this pop-up window will come out. It says, to ensure a seamless transaction, please take extra care in making your cryptocurrency selection. Very, very important, because any mistake while you are inputting your cryptocurrency details, it can actually lead to problem. Then we kindly ask for your careful consideration. To ensure a seamless transaction, please take extra care in making your cryptocurrency selection. Please note that you have selected USDT, yes, and network for your payout. So make sure you select the correct network. I'm using TRC, always TRC. So the next one is ensure correct wallet address. So I pasted my wallet address there, and it's actually the correct one. So I'll go ahead and tick this particular button here, and it says I acknowledge that I have read and understood the frequently asked question on how to get a payout. So once you are done with all these things, now you click on proceed. Now the next thing is that OTP will be sent to your, I think this should be on your email. Now let's go to our email and input our OTP. Make sure that it is correct. So now this is my OTP, and I think it is actually correct. Not that I think it is correct, because I checked it like extra 3 times to confirm if it's actually correct. So I think FundedNext gave us 2 minutes to input all these particular details to input the OTP. That's enough time for you. And then your payout request is being processed. So we are going to be waiting for FundedNext to confirm our payout. Then once the payout has been confirmed, then we'll receive it within 24 hours. So FundedNext pays within 24 hours, guys. Then if you look at this particular place where they wrote withdrawable profit, there's nothing there anymore. You can see pending amount, there's no pending amount, and disbursed amount, everything here is now 00. So now my requests have been approved. So I don't have any issue with, like, I don't have any issue. I obeyed all their trading rules, and I was able to make it out to this particular small amount of money. The timing I've started, so let's wait patiently to see how long it will take FundedNext to send this money to my Bitget account. And then definitely once the money arrives, I will let you guys know. For now, let's go on a break. So this is my email during the time of the withdrawing, when I was making this withdrawal. You can see the first one was when they sent me an OTP. That was by 4:53. Then the money was disbursed to me. That was my performance reward, was disbursed to me by 4:57. That means within 3 minutes, FundedNext paid me, guys. Then Bitget was, the money arrived on my Bitget by 4:57 too, within 3 minutes. So the remaining 2 was my certificate. You understand, my certificate, and this is just how the certificate look like. It's certificate of appreciation. I am now a crown trader. While second one was performance reward certificate. That's it, guys. Then for those who want to check out FundedNext, I want to share my little experience with this my 15K account. At phase 1, it was actually very simple. I just applied my normal risk management, which is 1%, and within 3 weeks, I was able to pass my phase 1. Then on my second phase, it actually took me the same 3 weeks. You understand? Then on my funding stage, there was a psychological shift. Do you understand? Because once you become funded, there's this excitation that actually comes as a trader. Do you understand? You become too excited that you can actually mismanage your risk, and there will be a psychological shift that you have this particular account, that you are funded with this particular account, you have so much money, all those kind of things. It can actually affect your trading psychology. So while you are trading, remember to fix your psychology very, very well. Know that the way it is during your challenge phases, that's how it is on your funding stage. One thing that saved me within the period of psychological shift was my risk management. Because while I was trading on my challenge phase, I was risking 1% per trade. I know I'm a swing trader. I open my trade on Monday, maybe on Wednesday. I can close. Sometimes I open on Tuesday and I'll close on Thursday or Friday. Sometimes I can open on Wednesday and then close on Friday. So that's how I always trade, guys. Immediately I got funded, I reduced my risk from 1% to 0.7%. I remember within that period, I hit 4 stop loss within 2 weeks. And out of that 4 stop loss, 2 was actually emotional trade. Because out of the 2, 1, I was not supposed to execute that trade, but I went and executed it. Then second one was actually a trade that went somehow against me, and I panicked and closed the trade. And trade later reversed and printed heavily. Like, it printed so much profit that if I was still holding that trade, I should have made like 1:4 on that particular trade. But I closed the trade out of emotions. But that's not how it was when I was trading on my challenge phases. And again, I'm saying that on my challenge phases, I tend to hold trades more because I wanted to pass the account. So I can hold trade to get to 1:3 and 1:4, sometimes 1:5. But when I became funded, and even if it's just 1:2 or 1:1 or 1:1.5, I'll rush and close and then wait for withdrawal. So all those kind of psychological shifts actually affected me on the funding stage. But at least we are making withdrawal. So within that period that I hit 4 stop loss, what saved me was risk management because I was risking 0.7. So I actually sticked with that 0.7. And with 2 trades, I was actually profitable in 1 week. I was able to cover up that 4 stop loss. And on the day of withdrawal, I never wanted to make any withdrawal on that particular day because I was like, this money, it was $50 there, this $50 is not enough. I wanted more. But in FundedNext went ahead and closed the trade and moved all the profit that I've made to my withdrawal account. You understand? And I went ahead and placed my withdrawal. So that's it, guys. FundedNext actually pays, and if you want to check it out, go to the description of the particular video and then sign up with FundedNext. And whenever I make your own purchase, don't forget to use my own coupon code JC3s. So you get your own 20% default bonus whenever you make your own withdrawal for FundedNext. If you find this video very helpful, I've learned how to make your first withdrawal with FundedNext. Don't forget to do us just one favor by liking this particular video and also subscribe to this particular channel. I'll see you in my video, guys. Bye bye.